we are removing material to balance the pistons, we want to be very careful that we aren't affecting the strength of the piston. What we want to do is look at the underside of the piston and inspect where we can remove material. On these JE forged pistons, what I'm going to be able to do is simply add a chamfer to the underside of the wrist pin boss. We want to be very careful because the actual underside of the wrist pin boss will affect the strength, so all we want to do is add a slight chamfer there on the edges. On a factory piston, on the other hand, quite often what we will find is that there are specific balancing pads on the underside of the piston skirt that are designed to be removed for the purposes of balancing. Let's remove some material and see what we can do. So we can see at this stage we've removed just under 1/10 of a gram. So we've got approximately 2/10 of a gram left to go. So the process here is simply to repeat what we've done, make small adjustments to the piston weight, and continually check on our work until we've matched the set of pistons.